Welcome to the Secret Affiliate Method YouTube channel with me, Brett Slansky. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing using the best strategies that pro affiliate use. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to do it using my top 2 free traffic sources. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on my other tips and ideas on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. I post videos just like this showing you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and you don't want to miss them. So let's go over some guidelines that you will see what you will learn in this video. Step 1. Why affiliate marketing is the best way you can get started to make money online. Step 2. How to choose products to promote. Step 3. Best ways to build a landing page. Step 4. Get free traffic to your offer. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Why affiliate marketing is the best way that you can get started to make money online. Affiliate marketing is really cool because you don't need to invest a lot of money to product development, customer support, or other things that you need if you want to build a real business. With affiliate marketing, all you have to do is to find the product that you want to promote and send traffic to the sales pages that the product owner already has in place. Essentially, you are the middleman between the product and the buyer. When you send the visitor to the product sales page and someone buys, you will earn commission that will be paid to your bank account or PayPal account. The commissions are between 3 to 75% of the product price. But there are even companies that will pay you 100% commissions on the first purchase and 30% on a monthly subscription fees for as long as the customer stays. When you stay till the end, I will tell you which company pays 100% commissions on the first purchase so you can start making money online with affiliate marketing ASAP. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. How to choose products to promote. There are many ways that you can choose a product to promote as an affiliate, but if you want to make money quickly, follow these guidelines. First, make sure that the product is already selling. You don't want to promote a product that does not convert. You will be wasting time and not see any results. You can Google the product name and add the word review to see if there are people promoting it online. If there are no results, that is a sign that product is either not popular or simply it won't sell well. Second thing you need to check is to see what is the lifetime value of a customer, meaning how much worth is the customer to you. For example, when you bring a customer that buys something, you need to make sure that you get paid not only on the product that you recommend, but also on any other purchase that they will make. This is the biggest mistake for a newbie affiliate marketer. They simply promote any product on ClickBank, JVZoo or Warrior Plus, but then they realize they only get paid once. Now, I don't know how about you, but I want to get out the most of my work. And when I bring a customer to a company, I expect that they will keep that customer connected to my affiliate ID forever. So when the same person buys something else, I still earn affiliate commission. And trust me, there are so many companies that don't do this. Step 3. Best ways to build a landing page. The reason why you need a landing page is simple. You need to build an email list of people interested in the product that you are promoting. Now, not everyone will buy right away, and by having an email list, you can drastically increase your chances to make sale. When you do, you will earn affiliate commission. You see, many newbie affiliates simply skip this step and send visitors directly to the product sales page. But statistically, only 2% of people will buy right away. So you will see a few sales or even no sales when you just send people directly to the offer. But when you build a list, you can set up email automation where the person on your list gets messages and it constantly reminded about the product. These days, it takes more than 7 contacts before someone buys. So make sure you build quality email list. More people you will have on the list, more chances to make affiliate commissions you will have. I use digital marketing platform called BUILDERALL that helps me to build these landing pages and also connects the pages with email autoresponder tool. It's quite inexpensive and is the only investment that you will ever need when it comes to digital marketing tools. That will help you to drastically transform your business. There will be a link in the description where you can see how I'm saving $865 every month on various digital marketing tools. I highly recommend you will watch the video on that page. Step 4. Get free traffic to your offer. So we are at the last step. Now, many newbie affiliates have problems with this, so I will tell you only about my favorite 2 sources for free traffic. If you want free traffic, focus on making videos and publishing them here on YouTube, and also make short videos and publish them on TikTok. These 2 platforms will be able to send you ton of free traffic to any landing pages you want to promote. Now I will be making videos on how to use these 2 free traffic sources to maximize your results. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I publish these videos. Again guys, I can't stress it enough, getting traffic from YouTube and TikTok will give you the fastest results. You will only need to create content and be consistent with it. If these tips on how to make money online with affiliate marketing helped you to get a first picture on affiliate marketing, please like this video and make sure you hit the bell notification icon. And if you have any questions about starting with affiliate marketing, write that question in the comments below, or even write what you thought was most helpful on this video. It will help me to produce better educational videos on affiliate marketing and how you can start making money with it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will talk about how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Oh, you still here? Great, here's one of my top affiliate programs that pays 100% commissions on the first purchase and 30% every month after. This will help you to make money as an affiliate quickly. It's called BUILDERALL and is a digital marketing platform that helps thousands of entrepreneurs to make money online. There will be a $1 trial in the comment section below this video. And if you sign up through my link, I will give you access to super affiliate training that's worth of $997. That way, you will have all you need to become successful and make money online with affiliate marketing.